Today I'm going to show you how to use nematodes to kill slugs in your garden. Hello, I'm Griff Rees, welcome to Winning Griffith. Here we talk everything beekeeping, farming, countryside living, and we do reviews as well. Now today we're going to sort out the slugs in the garden once and for all using Nemaslugs, and I'm going to show you the process of how you do it. So some of the things you need. You need a jug, a 5 litre watering can. This is a 6, but I'll go explain that we're going to use the jug to fill this up. And a bucket that you can put at least 10 litres of water into it. And that's all you need. So let's get straight into the video and mix this stuff up. Now just to note why we've decided to use this year. Last year our potatoes got decimated by slugs. And we don't really want to use slug pellets in the garden. The dogs go there, the kids go there, we go there. I'm not that keen of putting a chemical down that can later on kill birds or the wildlife, etc. go into the water course. So this is supposed to be wildlife friendly, plant friendly, bee friendly, child friendly, dog friendly. Because from what I understand, this is some kind of bug or a worm that infects the slug and then the slug dies. So it's totally natural. That's how I understand it is, and that's why we decided to give it a go. And it states that it keeps them away for at least 6 weeks. So if I gotta do this job every 6 weeks to make sure I've got enough veg in the garden and this doesn't harm anything else, then that's a thumbs up from me. Right, let's get into it. So the first job is we put 10 litres of water in the bucket. So we got 10 litres of water in there. We want to tip the whole pack into it. And give it a good stir. Okay, so immediately we want to put half a litre of the solution into a jug. Put that in your watering can. Now fill that up. Now it's important to note that's supposed to be a 5 litre watering can. It's actually a 6, so we're going to measure the water in. So we need to put 4.5 litres of water into there. That gives us the 5. And just note, you need a coarse rose on your watering can as well. Make sure that works. So we're going to keep that there. Start filling that up with water. Now we're going to give this another stir. And it's as easy as that. Now let's put this in the beds. Now that's the process, and we're going to repeat this entire process right through this garden until that 10 litre bucket is completely empty of solution. We're going to do the banks, everything. It says do 1/20th or 20th of whatever. You work out the size of the garden compared to this field, that's probably going to be it. I want to make sure there's no slugs at all in this garden, so we're going to treat it all to make sure, and hopefully this does the job. We're probably going to do another recap video in a few weeks to see if there's any slug damage, but in the meantime we're gonna carry on watering the garden with the nematodes. So the final stage of this treatment is we're going to water the garden now to wash all the nematodes into the soil. And we've got to make sure that this garden stays quite damp for the next 2 weeks. So hopefully living in Wales, we're going to have enough rain, enough damp. We won't need to water the garden every day. But if it is going to be a scorcher for a couple of weeks, you've got to make sure you water the garden, otherwise these nematodes will die and it won't work. So I've got my hose pipe and I'm going to water the beds, and that's it, job done. Well, that's it. And Anna's there, she's applying the nematodes up there. I'm going to go behind her with the hose pipe and we do this whole garden in no time. Hopefully it works, fingers crossed. Now if you like this video and you want to watch more of the same kind of content, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I try my best to put a new video out every week. Thanks for watching.